Hello team. Here's my explanation of why I decided to go with the design layout that I did. I wanted to first focus on the proximity and alignment of related design elements. As you can see, I have appropriately grouped related design elements together with the top 3 renewables, different fuels, and also by year. It also has a visual hierarchy. The arrangement of the elements is in a way that implies an hierarchy of importance within a selection, such as the top 3 renewables. I also use this by creating dominant and subdominant and subordinate focal points using variable visual weight. The differences in fonts and selections in fonts is able to draw your attention to different focal points. Everything in this design element are not scattered about the page. Everything is properly aligned with corners, with the centers up and down, and left and right horizontally. So vertically and horizontally. I also used the color harmony, using no more than three different effective contrasting colors. I decided to use white, purple, and for the most part green. This works very well because with the dark background, the white contrasts very well to the background, and I put forth a darker colors and light greens. I used all of these appropriately throughout the Picto chart. I included the citation and references on the bottom in a way that it did not detract from the major statements. If you guys have any questions or comments or clarifications or suggestions, please feel free to contact me.